Yo! What's good? What's good, guys? Yeah, still getting used to this short hair. But, yeah, just need to make an intro for this video. Boy got the bootleg Nike Mickey on, snipe from eBay. Yeah, this is just an intro for this crazy video. Your boy hosted his own flea market called Flea Pop. 36 vendors, 34 booths, and the next one's gonna be even bigger. It's gonna be next month. I don't even gotta say no more. Let's go watch the video. Let's go! Yo, your boy needs to take a nap. Yo, I'm super tired right now. We got everyone checked in. We just need one more person. It's the freaking Taco Man. But he's gonna check in. I got the box right here ready for the raffle tickets. Cause I'm giving away the Jordan 1 Hyper Royals, the one that I got off the sneakers app. Raffle tickets are gonna go in here in the little vintage Space Jam box. Yeah, I'm gonna lock up right now, and then yeah, this is the first Flea Pop. Let's go. All right, guys, locked up. We're gonna walk over to the flea market. I don't know if y'all can see that from afar, but everyone's set up. We got like 36 vendors, 34 booths. Everyone's set up. We got about like 10 minutes left. Starts at 8. And yeah, all right, let's go show you around. The homie Cycle pulled up right now. He's actually the first person to buy a raffle for the Jordan 1s. Jesse, show the shoe.
Which one do I give? Oh, keep this coupon.
Okay.
Just one?
Yes. Thank you. Best of luck, bro. That might be the winner.
You know,
What's up, baby?
That's the main man right here. How you been, baby?
Chilling, bro. Where's your boy?
Cut it all off? Oh, I think he wants to
did.
use the restroom right now. Damn, why'd you cut it off?
Dude, I wasn't.
Long.
It was cool, like from the side, cause you could see like the bun.
Yeah.
But from the front, it just looks curly and like messy as hell.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
I don't blame you.
Dude,
I don't blame you, bro.
This shit is tough, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
What's good?
This is my cousin Miguel, by the way. This
Your bro, Aaron.
You said what?
This is fire, bro. Fuck with
Thank you.
this.
Got some truckers out here. We got more sizes for you guys in the back.
What time did you guys get here?
Yep. Not too long. I got like 7. I got here like 7:15 maybe. The clickbait, bro. Check out the clickbait.
Let me see, dog.
The clickbait.
Is this a medium?
No, that's a large.
That's a large?
Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of small, huh? It's just tight, bro.
Yeah.
I'm missing like a couple Lakers center checks. I got almost all of them.
Is this one other you're missing?
Yeah, that dude, Adrian. No, I actually have this one. I thrifted that one, actually. The homie Adrian over there, the one with the magic vest.
My homie at the bins was like, give it to you for $1.
He gave it to you for $1?
I mean, he basically like blessed me with it because he knows I'm a Laker fan.
I can run 50.
What about the kids, Kobe?
The kids. Oh, the Kingdom one.
Yeah.
52.
52?
Yeah, 50 for the kids. Dude, that baby joint, I wish that shit was my size.
It's a large, huh?
Yeah. It's like I feel like it's like a smaller large, like a little bit.
Is it?
But you could check it out. Let me get a bucket real quick. One try? Oh shit, one more. You guys always pull up with the court?
just recently started pulling up.
Oh shit.
The other day, somebody gave it to him.
Oh my god.
There it is.
All right, with the homies right here, Chris and Reed. That's backwards. But yeah, just tell them your Instagram and then see what you guys got.
My Instagram is @Irui by Hathaway.
Yeah, you can follow Test of Time, Test X Time.
Why is your voice all deep, bro?
Because yeah, it got real deep all of a sudden. I want the you know. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
That feels hella good in here. It's hot. We're here with the homie. Want to say your Instagram and everything? Yeah. Go ahead, bro.
I'm here with Flea.
Somebody check it out.
Damn, the rod, man. You thrifties? Some of them?
What is up, guys? Daniel here, Hype in LA. Aaron, I guess Aaron's known. I used to scooter here. I used to actually scooter to his shop. So this is a local spot for sure, and it's nice to see it all flourish and see it in the city. If you want to come check out the booth. A lot for everybody.
Just come in.
Check it out.
Show them some of your stuff.
Oh yeah. This whole rack right here, $10. Everything brand new. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. So yeah, we got tons of steals like that. We got our banger rack right here. So our more pricier tees on our wood hangers. Okay. So something like a Who Framed Roger Rabbit to like a Sade. Then we got shoes in the back. Something like a...
Whose tee is this, bro?
This is my tee right here.
How much you selling for? Fucking six?
$6.50.
Damn. Dude, these used to be like maybe three, like 2, 3. Now they're 6. Tough, though.
It's a beautiful tee.
You get this for a steal?
I actually paid up a little bit,
Yeah.
but I still sniped it.
No,
It was
I'm
off
sure.
another local shoe seller, but he said he thrifted it a couple years ago for $80.
You bought it from him for 80?
He bought it for 80 at the thrift.
What'd you give him? Like 3?
4. Give him 4.
That's
still.
slight.
Yeah, it's
Feel me,
slight
sir?
work. Ton of vintage hats as well. We got shoes.
This is why I put you guys here in the corner. I wanted people to see all your guys.
Picked this up in the morning. Off-white.
Oh, you bought it off.
Yeah.
How much did he give it to you
I
for?
paid $850. Asking $1,000.
I was gonna ask him.
Yeah. Bro, that was the first thing I went to.
Yeah.
You have to, bro.
Yeah, I
I
was
actually
gonna
know
ask
that kid from like
Yeah.
back in the days. Sorry about that. Grill the grill.
Where did you get this?
This is
Eric.
Tell me, you want to tell me the story about this?
Good, bro. Y'all hear that? 2.5.
2,500. If anybody wants it, hit up Aaron. We'll get you right.
You want to introduce yourselves? It's for the video. Okay. Just introduce your Instagram and then just show your brand. Okay. Go ahead.
Yo, what's up, y'all? Come check out No Name Pro.
This is a banger, bro. That's just fire. How much do you guys sell the Iversons?
That's 40.
40? Yeah, man. Not bad.
Never count your homie pockets thinking you deserve it.
That's tough. Yo, you want to say your guys' Instagram and then just show us a couple pieces?
We are Vibrant Vintage Co. My Mata Vintage. Mata Vintage. Los Angeles Dogs. Oh, Los Angeles Dogs.
Then just show them some of your bangers. How much are you selling this one for?
180.
That's not bad. Damn. That's tough. That's tough. It's crazy how those NASCAR tees went like super high in price.
My high beat. Yeah.
Oh, it's tight. Damn, this one's hard. What size is it?
And the Fat Albert.
It's like a large. Oh, look at that. Damn, that one's hard, bro.
The whole chunky.
That one's tough.
Got the newer boot. That's L3.
This is the homie Shine right here. This is his booth. They're making a sale right now? Yeah. You can go ahead, yeah. Just talk about your stuff that you just sold.
So, just sold these, Atlanta, this little fish joint, and the Fresno Safari, and he's got me another Fresno Safari. And yeah, I think all single things, just keeping it quick.
Dude, on the low though, where do you be going, bro? You find t-shirts and hats like every fucking morning.
I do.
I figured that. People been hitting me.
What's up, bro?
This is the homie Drew. You want to tell him your Instagram and then just show us a couple bangers?
Yeah, I got you. My name's Drew. My Instagram is now Deals and Steals. My specialty is Nike stuff, bro.
Cool. Feel nice under here.
Yeah, bro.
It's hot.
I have 2 tents set up. I end up shooting one, bro.
How much you selling that Usher for?
That's a 65, bro, but I'm flexible with it.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's got a back hit to it.
Yeah, I seen it. It's more than that, no?
Oh, well, it depends on. I think 11 is up there, yeah. Because my 9s are, I think, 340. When do I find out?
Huh?
When do I find out?
I told you you can't enter.
Put the winning ticket in my pocket already.
So good luck. Thank you, bro.
I regret fucking getting rid of mine.
Oh, you had a pair?
Yeah. I traded it though.
What did you trade it for?
We went there when we cycled.
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's good, bro? You're good? All right, yo, so the homie Paul pulled up. Came from where?
Here. Laguna Niguel, all the way out here. So
All the
worth
way
it.
out here to Walnut.
Amazing event, dude. Flea pop, come through.
I appreciate it, bro.
vibe.
What are you looking for today?
Laker shirts.
It's crazy though how everyone's rocking Laker shit, even though we lost.
I know.
And I love that shit.
I know. Dude, ride or die, man. Ride or die. Not like those Clipper fans.
There's actually one of my cousins there. He's like the biggest Clipper fan ever, so he's rocking like all Clipper shit. He's all, dog, this doesn't happen ever, bro, so I need to enjoy this shit.
I feel it. That's totally understandable. Respect
Thank you,
for
bro.
that.
Yeah. Hey, but yeah.
Those are real fans, dude.
Yeah, I appreciate it though, bro.
My pleasure.
Thank you,
Absolutely.
man.
Amazing event.
Yes, sir.
Well planned.
Thank you, bro.
So you're gonna pull the numbers, right?
No, you're going to.
Are you guys ready?
Hold on. Wait for everyone. Not yet.
Let's go!
Who's that? Whose dad is that, dude? Hold on. Shake it. Wait for everyone to get here.
Shake it one more time, okay? I thought it was empty, see?
Everyone good? Everyone's listening? All right, go ahead. Close your eyes, man.
Okay. Oh, he's cheating. Wait. There's one more that's not broken.
Come on, go ahead, rip it.
He pulled that one, right? He pulled the 5.
Just don't look. Yeah. Close your eyes.
Okay, so here we go.
You recording? Don't look. Yeah, just.
Okay. don't know. You can read the number.
Read that
All right, you guys ready? 6, 9, 7, 1, 5.
Damn, son.
2.
Wait. The last number was what? 2, right? There's one more number.
Colby. 8.
Oh, that's amazing.
Damn. Oh no. 8.
Oh, these are
2, 8. Kobe. Yeah. No, that wasn't it. Wow. Kobe number 8, not 24. 6, 9, 7, 1, 5, 2, 8.
Let's go.
Really?
Yeah. He bought a big
6,
ass for me.
9, 7, 1, 5. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you got it, and I'm like so mad right now.
I appreciate you, bro.
That's great, bro.
I got you.
Bro,
Straight to the toe, huh? Straight to the toe. Straight to. You're lying. Hey, he's gonna put it on. Okay.
About that shit.
Yeah, you size 11.
perfect size, man.
Yeah, straight to the toe.
Hey, the resale value just went down.
This is the first time I ever won a shoe. I'm keeping this for the rest of my life.
Yeah.
Oh, not the white laces. I got blue ones.
Yeah. With the white one.
Yo, what's good, guys? It is another day. I'm here at the shop. It's a couple days actually after the flea market. It was a banger. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There will be another one July 25th if you do want to pull up and see what it's all about. Once again, I want to say thank you to everyone who helped me. My sister, the boo-boo, the bro, my mom, pops, all my friends. I appreciate you guys, and the next one's gonna be even crazier. So yeah, just follow me on Instagram if you want to know when the next one's gonna be and where it's gonna be at. But yeah, the bro's here. He thinks he's looking for shorts, but I actually have the bag right here. I don't know what do you need it for? Oh, he's going to Six Flags this weekend, so he needs some shorts to rock because obviously it's hella hot. Where's Six Flags again for your birthday?
No, it's not for my birthday.
Oh.
It's for Jalen.
Okay. Oh, didn't even look in the rest of the bag. Instantly went for the... Scoop these off eBay. I got those for like, I think 25. Let me see them. Those are fire. With the orange and yellow hit right there. But yeah. I'll talk to you guys more about the next flea market and future trips with thrift. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and you already know slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good?